What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video here. So for this video, as you guys can see, I'm sitting in my F30 and I'm going to be replacing the start-stop push button on the F30 with a colored one, and it's going to be one of the colored ones that I am offering on my store now currently, and it's going to be the red one, as you can see here. I'm going to be using this exact one. I think red would probably go the best with my interior, since as you guys can see, my interior is red. You can see the seat behind me here. Usually I don't really like to go with red since it's so common and not really unique. A lot of people do that as the colored start-stop push button upgrade. But since my interior is red, I think that's really the only color that really goes well. I was considering silver, since that is another color I am offering. But I think silver would look good too, but I think red would just go the best since my interior is red. Maybe if my interior was just the regular black, I would go with silver, but since the interior is red, I'm just going to go with red. The other two colors that I'm going to be offering on my store are blue, as you can see here. I'll also be offering yellow, as you can see here. And then, as I mentioned, I have a silver color option as well, as you can see right here. So yeah, I think that covers all of the context I wanted to give you guys. So again, I'm going to go with red. As you can see right here, it's a nice glossy red finish. If I can focus here. Nice and glossy. Included with every single start-stop push button on my store will be a small little flathead screwdriver that will help you with the installation of your start-stop button. And I'm going to be using it in this video to show that you really only need this to do this whole installation. And the installation is really easy, not really complicated at all. I would say it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, just depending. But I'm going to show you guys how to install it in this video, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do here is use the little small screwdriver, if I can focus here. So I'm going to use this to pry out the whole entire ignition button unit here. Just simply insert it around one of the edges here so it gets underneath and behind, and then just simply pry it out like that. Try to get it all around. There we go. You can see it slowly popping out there, and I should just be able to wiggle it out now since it is pretty much sticking out. And there it is. Really simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and just disconnect the electrical connection here by squeezing the top and bottom part and then just pulling outward like that. And it's completely disconnected. Look at that, it took less than a minute to do all of that. So super easy, as you guys can see. So now that this is disconnected, we're going to have to unhook this little top piece here. As you can see, there's like a little line. We're going to need to remove the piece that's on the top. It's hooked on to these little like flaps right there, as you can see right there. There's two on the side there, two in the back here, and then two more on the other side right there where my fingers are. And again, I'm going to go ahead and use the small flathead screwdriver to unclip those. Got the last one here. And there it is. Just like that, disconnected. Go ahead and put that off to the side. Now the last step here, as you can see, the button is all loose. It is connected by two more clips that are on the inside right there. On both sides where these little openings are, there's little flaps, just like how they were on this piece that we just removed. So once we unclip these, the button should just fall out because it's not hooked on to these little flaps anymore. So let's go ahead and try this again using the flathead screwdriver provided. So you can see, I can zoom in here, There's like a little flap right there. If you can see it on camera, you just do that, push inward so it unhooks. But the thing is, you have to do it on both sides, because if you just do it on one side, the other side still stays hooked onto, so it won't just come out. So I think I might have to use another small little flat tool so that I can unhook both at the same time. So I have another small little screwdriver here to unhook these at the same time. I'll see if I can get this on camera, because it's kind of hard to do the way I have the camera positioned. So let's go ahead and try this here. Oh, there we go. It just popped out and fell down on the floor. Go ahead and pick that up. And there you have it. The original start stop button is out. So now that the original start stop piece is out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the red one here and just do the reverse of what I just did. Reinstall everything. Go ahead and push that in. So once you insert the button, you're gonna wanna push the button and then this white piece on the back together so that they hook on to the clips that are inside that we had to unclip to get the old one off. So now the button is secured. You can go ahead and reinstall this piece, the electrical connection piece here. Just like that. And then now we can reconnect the electrical connection back onto the ignition unit here. Here we go. And then we insert the ignition button assembly here back in. Just like that, and that's it. It's all finished. Super easy, as you guys just saw. Now it is a nice clean and glossy red button. We'll go ahead and make sure everything works here. There we go. Everything turned on. I'll go ahead and start the car to make sure. There we go. So as you guys saw, everything is connected, everything works, and the car started up just fine. So the install is complete. Again, super easy, as you guys just saw. Takes, well, that was like less than 5 minutes for me. But maybe if you're not really good with taking things apart, or maybe a little bit longer, but not too difficult at all. One of the easiest mods you could do on the car here. Go ahead and zoom in. So again, I'll also have these colored start-stop ignition buttons available in blue, as you can see here. I will also have yellow, as you can see right here. I will also have silver, as you can see here. And then lastly, I'll also have them available in gloss black, if you want to just stick with the black color, but have a nice glossy look instead of the matte black look, as you can see here on the original start-stop button piece. So there you have it, guys, a super easy installation of these colored start-stop ignition button pieces. These buttons will fit any BMW with the ignition button unit that you saw in this video that are on majority of the F chassis BMWs. So this will also fit the 2 Series, the F32 4 Series, and possibly some of the SUVs, the X6, X3. But if you have the exact same ignition button unit that I have in my car here, in my BMW F30, these colored ignition button unit pieces will fit yours as well. I'll provide a link directly to these colored ignition button unit pieces directly from my website down in the description below if you guys want to check these out and get one for yourself. We'll definitely appreciate your support of my new online store if you do decide to purchase from me and my website. This is a great first mod to do to your BMW, and it's super cheap. These are the cheapest product that I have on my site right now. So I think that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how to install these and show you guys how these ignition button pieces fit. So you guys can see that these have perfect fitment essentially for these ignition button units. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more mods, more products, and more videos on my BMW F30 or BMW E90. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.